Hello, lovely viewers. You are most welcome to our channel Poetry Online. In this video, we shall be presenting to you some questions and answers on a minor bird by Robert Frost. Kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on all our new videos. Once again, let us assure you of a very interesting discussion. Get ready for this lesson. Who did the speaker initially think was at fault? A. The man. B. The society. C. The bird. D. The keys. The correct answer to this question is C. The bird. What irritated the speaker about the bird? A. Its feathers. B. Its song. C. Its tail. D. Its head. The correct answer to this question is B. Its song. Why did the speaker clap his hands? A. To kill some flies. B. To applaud the bird. C. To scare the bird away. D. To warn the bird. The correct answer to this question is C. To scare the bird away. The speaker of the poem represents A. The privileged in society. B. The less privileged in society. C. People. D. Hunters. The correct answer to this question is A. The privileged in society. Why was the speaker standing by the door? A. He doesn't have the keys. B. The door is locked. C. He wanted to drive the singing bird away. D. He's going out. The correct answer to this question is C. He wanted to drive a singing bird away. The speaker tries to drive the bird away by A. Shooting a gun. B. Shooting a catapult. C. Clapping his hands. D. Throwing stones. The correct answer to this question is C. Clapping his hands. When it seemed I could bear no more, what can the speaker bear no more? A. The noise of the bird. B. The droppings of the bird. C. The colors of the bird. D. Waiting at the door. The correct answer to this question is A. The noise of the bird. The fault must have partly been in me. Me and this line refers to A. The bird. B. The tree. C. The speaker. D. Robert Frost. The correct answer to this question is C. The speaker. The last words of each pair of lines dash A. Rhymes. B. Breaks. C. Do not rhyme. D. Rhythm. The correct answer to this question is A. The last words of each pair of lines rhymes. How many lines has the poem? A. 6. B. 8. C. 7. D. 10. The correct answer to this question is B. 8. Who, according to the speaker, is not to blame? A. The man. B. The woman. C. The bird. D. The society. The correct answer to this question is C. The bird. The bird was not to blame for her key. This line exemplifies A. Metaphor, B. Simile, C. Personification, D. Alliteration. The correct answer to this question is C. Personification. The bird in the poem represents A. People in the village, B. Less privileged people, C. Powerful people, D. People who behave like animals. The correct answer to this question is B. Less privileged people. A minor bird preaches against A. Tolerance, B. Equality, C. Love, D. Intolerance. The correct answer to this question is D. Intolerance. The bird was not to blame for his key. This means that the bird A. was wrongly accused, B. stole his keys, C. brought the wrong keys, D. was making noise. The correct answer to this question is A. was wrongly accused. The bird was not to blame for his key. This line depicts that A. intolerance is everywhere, B. accusers may also be wrong, C. victims are always right, D. victims and accusers are all wrong. The correct answer to this question is B. accusers may also be wrong. The setting of the poem is A. a rural setting, B. an urban setting, C. wildlife, D. a forest. The correct answer to this question is A. a rural setting. A minor bird preaches A. intolerance, B. accepting one's mistakes, C. denying one's mistakes, D. intolerance. The correct answer to this question is B. accepting one's mistakes. Key in this poem means A. padlock, C. musical note, C. gate, D. entrance. The correct answer to this question is B. musical note. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.